will be the space of your living and dining area. Very spacious, you will get two parallel platforms, and this is the space where you can place your beds. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Avenue 18 by Sajai Developers located in Bandra East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. That is also the actual land parcel of the project, and you can see the construction of the tower is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres, which is a standalone tower with two wings, having ground plus 22 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also Jodi option is available. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, jogging track, kids play area, and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kher Nagar, Bandra East, from where Bandra railway station is only 5 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 3 minutes, BKC is only at a distance of 10 minutes drive, International Airports is only 15-minute drive, and Worli Ceiling is also at a distance of 15 minutes drive, and school, colleges and hospital is within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing at the 2 BHK of Avenue 18. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 676 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, first, you will get a digital lock on the door, and this will be the space of your living and dining area. As you can see, the living is very spacious. You can place sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit. And over here, you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can place swings or tea tables and tea chairs in the balcony and enjoy tea time with your family with a very beautiful view. Over here, you can place your dining of 4 to 6 people and enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, this will be your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and the other bedrooms. First, to the right of the entrance in the alley, we have your kitchen. That you can see is very spacious. You will get two parallel platforms, and then you can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. We have space provided to place your refrigerator, and in this corner you can place your washing machine. And you will also get ventilation windows provided in the kitchen. Now, opposite to the kitchen, we have your common washroom that you can see is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, over here we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can make this your kids' bedroom, guest bedroom or even your study room. You can place sofas, beds, side tables and customize your wardrobe over here, and you will also get full French windows with a glass railing provided that will give you full safety and no objected view. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. Right next to the common bedroom, we have your master bedroom where you will get a foyer area to give your bedroom full privacy, and to the left of the entrance, we have attached washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is the space where you can place your beds, side tables and customize your wardrobe over here. You will also get full French windows with a glass railing provided to give you a no objected view and full safety. And this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Avenue 18. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I would like to ask you one question. You have been watching videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Avenue 18 by Sajjad Developers located in Bandra East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.